Hi guys, Gretchen here with the Atlantean Dai Ko Myo today. The Atlantean Dai Ko Myo is, yes, the third Dai Ko Myo that we've gone through. So far we've gone through the Asui Dai Ko Myo, the Karuna Ki Dai Ko Myo, also called Mei Lung, which is the Tibetan Dai Ko Myo, and now the Atlantean Dai Ko Myo. I do want to point out the similarities between the Atlantean Dai Ko Myo and this nautilus that I have. I don't know how clear this is going to be, so I'm going to do this at a couple of different levels. And I'm going to do this both sides. There's the first side, it's nice and textured. I love this side. And then there's this side, it's a little more clear. You can see the spirals and you can definitely see the similarity, or I can definitely see the similarity here. It looks exactly like this nautilus. Now the nautilus has represented growth, spiritual growth, since the beginning of time, and it is one of the oldest ocean animals out there. So, coincidence? I think not. Anyway, so the way the Atlantean Dai Ko Myo works is it doesn't swoop in that energy from the crown chakra. It's going to start here in the middle of you in your Kundalini energy. Get that Kundalini going, get that rising. So it busts through that Kundalini blocks, those blocks that we have between that, between the root and the sacral. It goes pop, pop, pops those two blocks. That gets that Kundalini energy flowing a little easier. And then number two, we do swoop in from those higher powers, those guides, those guardians, that universal light energy, and connect that Kundalini energy back into the top, allowing for a greater spiritual growth and a nicer connection of our true self, our Kundalini, our energy, that dormant creativity, that those dormant gifts that lie within us. Allow that to pop and connect to that universal light energy with that. And number 3 and 4 here, shoop, shoop. That's just kind of to like shore it in and make sure that we are able to use that energy. When you're going to intone this into yourself at first, you're going to do this through your crown chakra and your pineal gland, because this will actually stimulate that pineal gland, that third eye chakra, and get that going, get that intuition, that light, that healing going a lot better. It does also really do great vibrations with that heart energy too. So when you attune yourself to this, you're going to begin with you're going to meditate on it. I meditated on it while I was holding my nautilus, and you meditate, you attune it into your crown chakra, and then you go ahead and attune it into your third eye chakra. Then we're going to skip all the way down to our root chakra, because that is where this bad boy shines. And then the sacral. Well, while you're doing this meditation, after you've attuned it into these specific chakras, please meditate, balance all those chakras, and then you're going to put it from your dominant hand into your other hand, and then vice versa. Go ahead and speak those in, and meditate this into your hands like you normally do. And you're able to use this on your clients. If you use this in conjunction with like a chokurei sandwich and motor zanan on like somebody who's sick off and on, like has colds, viruses, flus, all of that here and there, they should have better nutrition, but they're go ahead and use that bad boy on it. This will help amplify that motor zanan. This one will help actually amplify most symbols, almost as well as chokurei. This is a master symbol for your Shamballa MDH Reiki. So you are almost there. We only have a few more symbols to go, and then some other lessons to go over too. But this is the Atlantean Dai Ko Myo. It is best, I do use it on myself in my self-attunements. I attune it to my back body first, because I feel that's where I vibe best with my root and my sacral chakra. I feel like a better connection because it's easier to reach the end of my spine through my back body than it is through my front body. So I do picture it going into my back body first, and then my front body, my side bodies, and then I do an above and below as well for me to get that that cleansing, get all those beautiful, vibrant energies going for the day going, get that Kundalini energy, get that true self energy, that energy of you, that creative, that gifted, those gifts that you may not even know that you have yet. Let's get that flowing through your body. If you have any questions, go ahead and email me or post them in the comments, and hopefully I will see them. And until the next lesson, namaste. I lied, not until the next lesson, namaste. If you like this video and would like to see more like this, I do also do yoga and herbalism videos, as well as a couple of other, healer style videos here and there. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Now, until next time, namaste.